All right, today I have a Ford Expedition and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights, also called the dome lights, interior lights inside of your Ford Expedition. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So what I'm going to do is I am going to look up towards the ceiling, and you see towards the ceiling, you have the ceiling lights right here. Okay, they're currently on. All right, let's see if I can turn this off. So I just turned that off. You're probably like wondering, what in the world did he just do? All right, so I'm gonna go over it with you. All right, so there's a couple of settings that you can use right here. All right, so you have the reading lights. If I press this icon right here, that's the reading light. Hold on a second, I'm gonna move forward. All right, I can press that. And then if I want the passenger side reading light, I'll press this one right here, and you see the reading lights are on. Now to turn them off, I'll just go simply press that for the driver's side, and then that one for the passenger side. All right, great. So now I have the door light, okay? So you see when I open the door, the lights go on. I can actually have it to where the lights don't turn on when I open the door, and that's simply by pressing this door switch right here. And so watch what happens now. When I open the door, the lights don't go on. But when I shut it, the lights still don't go on. So, all right, so this is the door button. If I press this, it is back to the setting to where it allows the door to be open or whatnot. And the lights go on. If I look over here, here is the universal switch right here. If I press this, the lights in the vehicle turn on all back there. All right. And if I turn it, press it again, the lights go off. Okay. So that is how you operate the ceiling dome lights in the Ford Expedition. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.